We are officially in Christmas mode over here at the Holiday House. If you saw my video on Monday, we are in Nutcracker mode here in the dining room. It's all things nutcrackers. We are continuing the theme over here on the hutch. So what we're gonna do today, it's gonna be a little redundant, but I want it to look like a display you would see in Neiman Marcus or something like that, but very budget friendly. And I can hardly wait for you to see how all of this is gonna tie together. Because right here we have the hutch, over here we have a bar cart, over here we've got a French country cabinet with Christmas, and then across the way we have the electric fireplace that I shared with you on Wednesday, all decked out. And yeah, so let's get into it. To get into the spirit of things, because it is November 1st, for me, it's all things Christmas. I'm wearing my Griswold Illumination sweatshirt. I don't know if it's available, but I got it last year and I love it. Now, when you have a hutch like this and you want to add garland to the top of it, you want to do that first. You want to do that first. Why? Because you don't want to have to end up pulling out your hutch and then all your stuff comes toppling down. I'm going to grab my extension cord. We're going to put some garland with red Christmas ornaments in it. We're gonna do the hutch and decide, do we wanna add ribbon? That's the real question. Okay, so I'm up here on my hutch and I bought this garland last year from Ross. It comes with the ornaments, it's battery operated, and I can't find my batteries. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyway, what I wanna share with you is, what I did is I doubled up. If you want a more substantial look, which is something I fail at every year, sometimes I run out of garland and I just use one piddly little garland and it looks very sad. It looks very Charlie Brown-ish. So this year I'm trying to go a little more big and bold by doubling up. And if you really want to go big and bold, you can take this approach by using two and then adding Christmas picks into it. The pine Christmas picks that are wispy and drapey, that would be really pretty. Okay, we have lights. Let there be light. And now we can bring this hutch to life with a real Christmas nutcracker feel. You know what? We'll revisit the garland after I get it decorated and we'll decide if we want to add ribbon. All right, so to start, I'm gonna go in with these gold chargers. And they have a diamond pattern. I'm just going to lean them on the top shelf. Okay, you guys, remember when I said if you like the MacKenzie look, but you don't want to pay the high price, you can always get nicer items and mix it with less expensive items that are more budget friendly. And as I stated, on Amazon, you can go and get party plates. These are plastic plates with gold trim around the edge. And I like to turn them in a diamond pattern. To this, I'm gonna go in with my nutcracker plate that I found on Amazon. These party plates, they're plastic. You get a whole stack of them. The dinner plate, the salad plate, the dessert plate, enough to use as an accent or backdrop, if you will, in your kitchen displays, in your hutch displays, maybe on a buffet. It really gives your home the Christmassy, festive feel. That's what I'm gonna do. I got these cute little plate stands on Amazon. So this is how I'm going to put them together. The gold chargers are acting as a backdrop to add more of an elegant look. And then this is gonna go in with the Christmassy, festive look. That's how the top shelf looks. I apologize for the lighting. We're having a gloomy day here today, and my light ring is not helping. Next, I found these on Amazon. Oh my goodness, probably 4 or 5 years ago. And I love them. I don't know if they're available. These absolutely give me the MacKenzie Child's look without the price. To these, a red candle. And now to add a pop of color and a little texture, we're going in with these. And I got these on Amazon, I'll link them below. They're great little fillers. And how cute is this look for Christmas? That's gonna be the top shelf. Now let's move to this shelf. Okay, next, Amazon has these little trays. I'm going in with this little mirror just to add a little reflective property because across the way are Christmas lights. In the center of the mirror, we're going to go in with a gold Christmas tree. And now we're going to go in with 2 Nutcracker cookie jars from Amazon. They are darling. Adding more holly. Now down below, we're going in with party plates just to use as our backdrop. Not putting them in plate holders, I'm just gonna lean them. 1, 2, 3, boom.
Whenever snow starts to fall and carolers
Color combo down below, we're going green, red, green.
start to call, it's very clear another year has
Going in with this gold tray from Home Goods.
passed. Time is moving so fast, but as long as you are in my arms, love is here to stay, and it feels like Christmas every day. If I could have.
As you guys saw, I had a light back there. It was there for my summer displays. And I moved it behind that plate, and it illuminates the bottom shelf rather nicely. Came out. I'm going in with this ribbon I got from Amazon. It's red on this side, checkered on the other. I'm doing a curly Q. And I'm going to place it in the middle of the tray. It just needs a little something. And I think to balance it, I'm going to do one here and one there. Okay, I'm absolutely loving this look. Now, when it comes to the top, I could go in with this ribbon, but I think it would be overkill. I really do love the curly Q ones kind of filling in. It really gives it a beautiful look. But I think up top, I'm just gonna do 2 bows and that's it. I like the red with the gold because it's dressier. And this is sort of dressed down a little bit, a little. We've got the gold chargers in the back, so I think this would be really nice up top. I don't know, maybe something like this. Okay, so you can see I have a tree here. I haven't decorated it yet. I just put a bow in there because I was playing. And so I want my bow to sort of mimic what's going in to my tree. So I just did something simple in the corner there. I might do something over there and call it done. Well, that will wrap up my video for today. Short and sweet, but come back and see me next week. We have a ton to do. And we're gonna tie this room all together. We're probably gonna move into the family room or kitchen. I'm not sure yet, but I have a lot to share and I'm excited. And I will link what I can in the description box below because I did buy the nutcracker plates on Amazon and get the gold tray. And you can get the party plates, don't forget. Oh, and the ribbon. If you guys enjoyed this video, will you please give me a thumbs up because it greatly helps my channel. I know I'm guilty of sometimes going to people's channels and I'm so excited to watch and I forget to hit the like button. But for all of us content creators on YouTube, if you enjoyed the video, please remember, give us a like because it really helps all of us this Christmas season. Have a great kickoff to your November weekend, and I'll see you guys back here next week. Mwah!
I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year.